I want to bring up a slightly more twisted thing that we see with engineering managers, though, particularly in agile organizations, is the matrix team. I'm running into this more and more often where an agile team is not reporting to one manager, but to each person on the team practically reports to a different manager of some kind. And what I see over and over again is that the manager is given objectives that are not aligned with the team's objectives, i.e. there are goals and things that managers are supposed to meet with their staff. And it's more than just making sure the agile teams have the resources they need. There's also goals that team is supposed to produce as well. And so now there's a conflict often between the matrix person on an agile team and what they want their manager needs to have them do to meet the manager's goals and objectives for the year.
Ouch.
Yeah, it sounds fun.
Right. But here's where, again, agile might be doing by saying by clearly differentiating those roles, there could be a potential now for that engineering manager to say, hey, my job if you want to be an agile organization, you want to have agile teams, is to, as Jenny said, deliver the team, not also then meet a series of objectives of the separate deliverables that this staff provides. I need to make sure that this team can support all the agile teams that you're spinning up, and I have the right level of staffing and expertise so that all these teams are successful in doing what they need to do.
I think there's an interesting point there, too, about the leaders of the leaders. If the managers above the managers are setting very different, right, goals, objectives across the organization, now you're going to have people right above the team level who aren't necessarily rowing the oars in the same direction. We'll have that problem with the canoe where, two people are paddling forward, two people are paddling backwards, and two people are paddling in some weird direction we don't even know where it is. And that's going to be really hard for the agile team. So I do think sometimes that idea of line of sight goals, right, where people understand their goals, you go up one level in the organization to managers, there's a very clear line of sight between individual goals, management goals, to director goals, to VP goals, to organizational goals. I think that if you don't have that alignment, we're probably not talking about a management problem, right? We're probably talking about more organizational goal setting, alignment, commonality, consistency, and the poor managers are going to have a hard time solving that.
What do you think of this? What is the actual role and duty assignment in terms of a manager, like working with a scrum master, for example, right?